Most new Walmart sellers mess up WFS. In this video, I'll show you how to send your products to WFS without any headaches. Okay, so first you're just gonna log into your Walmart account. Make sure that you go to your catalog and your listings created. Once it's created, you actually need to convert it to WFS. So what you can do is find your item, and then it's going to say convert to WFS here. You go to actions, convert to WFS, and you can convert it to Walmart, right? And then it's going to say this, seller fulfilled, and it's going to have parentheses that says WFS eligible. It has to show this. It usually takes an hour for it to go through. If it doesn't go through, then you can contact Walmart. But things like cologne or liquids, sometimes Walmart gives you a really hard time. So just be aware of that. But once it says this, it's time to send it in, and you're gonna go to the WFS section on your page, right? Once you're in the WFS section, you're gonna click inventory. You're gonna type in the SKU, and then you're gonna simply click this button, this button, and then you're gonna click send inventory. And this is where you send inventory into Walmart. So it's gonna take you to this page. You're gonna put the expected delivery date. It doesn't really matter, but I'm just gonna put it as tomorrow. Here it is, and they're gonna put the total units. So let's say we're sending 10 units, and we're gonna put it in a case packed, and it's just one case. So there you go. So I'm sending 10 units, putting them all in one box. There you go, and shipping it out, right? Now, what you're gonna need is, if you want Walmart to put your items in poly bags or standard labels, you can. I do not recommend this, and I'm gonna explain why at the end of the video, but you can pay Walmart to do things for you. It's just that they're very bad at it. But anyway, what you're gonna need is each item needs to have a barcode. So what you're gonna do is click this little print icon, then you're gonna click US letter, you're gonna click print, and it's gonna print you barcodes, right? You're gonna need to print these out. The easiest way to put these on your items is to get Avery labels from Amazon or Walmart. You can see, you can just type in Avery label, and it's literally, for me, it's the first one that pops up. It's this one right here, and it has like 30 little labels per sheet. Put it in your printer, click print, and it's gonna print these labels on there. And then you just take them off their sticker and then stick them on each item, somewhere on your item, right? Because each item needs a little barcode, and that way Walmart can track them, because they can just scan them, okay? If you don't have them, you can pay Walmart. Again, you can pay Walmart. It's just a little bit expensive. I recommend to do it yourself, and then Walmart gets confused when they do things themselves. Anyway, you're gonna click create now. So you got all of your items. You put barcodes on each one of them now. So I've got 10 items. I put it to the side. If you have an error, just refresh the page and then do it again. Okay, so now it's gonna take you to this page. And then now you're going to click setup. So it says action required. It's time to set up the listing. So now, you've got your barcodes. They're on each item individually. Now it's time to get the actual shipping box barcodes, right? So we're gonna click next. And then you're gonna use a Walmart preferred carrier. Just put like the length and width of the big box that you're going to use. And then again, I always recommend to do single SKU and not mixed SKU, because Walmart gets confused. But again, I'm just gonna put the weight, bada bing, calculate, and a small parcel, all that stuff. It's gonna calculate the price. It should be pretty cheap, $5. Click next. If you want them to come pick up, which they might, you can click next. If not, you're good to go. I didn't type in anything there, and then I just click this button and I click confirm. Now they're going to send me a shipping label and a Walmart label, and I put all of the items in that big box, and then I put the Walmart label on and the FedEx shipping label. Right now it's FedEx, so you're gonna click print labels. So first we're gonna get that FedEx label. We're gonna say we're shipping it out today, and now we're gonna click download, and it's gonna give us a FedEx label. Sometimes it takes a second. There it is. So I'm gonna print this out, put it on the outside of the entire shipping box. And then I also need a Walmart label. And again, this is the same thing. I'm gonna print out the Walmart label and put it on the outside of the shipping box. And that's it. Now you can also track it. You can go back into shipments. Once Walmart receives it, they're gonna check the items in, and then this is going to change from seller fulfilled, WFS eligible, and it's literally gonna say Walmart fulfilled, and it's gonna show inventory right here. And then bada bing, bada boom, 2-day shipping to customers. That's how you do WFS. Now, my pro tips is to always barcode your items, right? Or have them already on there. because if you pay Walmart to do it, they have gotten confused in the past and they forget to barcode your items and they lose items, right? So I always or it takes so much longer for Walmart to check in your items. So if you barcode it yourself, that's my recommendation, okay? If you have mixed SKUs, so if you're trying to send like 5 different items, let's say you're trying to send a green one of these, and you're trying to send a purple, and you're trying to send a pink, and you want to put them all in one box, Walmart gets confused, okay? So I like to just do 1 SKU per box. So if I just have all these green items, I put them all in one box, these green Aurora light boxes, I put them all in one box. If I have a pink one, I put them in a separate box, right? If you mix them, Walmart gets confused and they might check in things wrong and stuff like that. So those are my pro tips, but that's it for today's video. Are you planning to send your products to Walmart WFS soon? What's the first thing you'll do after watching this video? Leave it below in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you on your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Walmart account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, helping you get the shipping labels, tracking your items, customer service for Walmart, advertising, getting you the pro seller badge, design, and much, much more. The benefit of the service is so you can spend time working on your business, like creating more products, launching more products, looking at it as a boss, instead of working on everything on a daily basis. We're going to be doing all the daily basis tasks, making sure your account's healthy and increasing sales. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.